Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to post a story in Instagram. I'll open your Instagram app in your mobile device, and after that on the top left corner you can see the your story option on the plus icon. Tap on that option, and over here from the recent you can pick any of the pictures or video you can post simply by tapping in that option, just by the picture or the video. And on the bottom right corner you can tap on the next. But if you want to post a multiple picture in your story at once, you can simply tap on the picture that you want to post, and after that on the bottom right corner there's a next icon. Select that, and if you want to post it on layout, on the bottom you could see you can tap on the layout option. But if you want to post separately, tap on the separate option, and after that on the bottom right corner we could see the next icon. Tap on that and tap on the share, which is on the bottom. On the bottom you could see the done option again. Select that, and this is it. This is how you can upload your story in Instagram. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.